Fact 13. Did you know that our Jamaican national dish, the ackee and saltfish, was ranked by the National Geographic as the second best national dish in the world? Second best, yes. They say it has a nice, buttery, nutty flavor. Yes, so we love with ackee and saltfish. We love to eat it with banana and dumpling and rice. With anything, our ackee and saltfish shall go on. Yeah, man. Happy Independence, Jamaica. And thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?